morning, ha?
Yes.
What for breakfast na tayo?
Oo, ito talaga yung pinakaabangan natin, Tito
Uy,
Diego.
pero magkapatid to, ha?
Oo, ang guest natin ngayon ay magkapatid, si Chef Walter at si Chef Raymond Yuloque.
So, meron kayong, may restaurant kayo, di ba?
Yes po. One in Tomas Morato po and one in Rodriguez. Located at Cascades Food Park and Village Food Park.
So, sino ang head chef sa inyo at sino yung second?
Well, basically,
Okay, wag na baka mag-away kayo. So, pareho kayo nasa kitchen?
Yes po. Yes.
Alright.
Ang sarap.
Sino mas magaling magluto?
Wala po nagpapatalo. Wala po nagpapatalo.
So, itong recipe na gagawin nyo sa inyong dalawa, kayong dalawa gumawa nito?
It was taught to me by my mentor po back when I was working pa po.
Sige. Ano ba itong gagawin natin?
First, we're gonna teach you how to make kimchi po.
Okay.
And then
Bulgogi Marinade.
And Bulgogi Marinade.
Yes.
Alright, game. Let's start. Go.
Ano ba yung ating mga ingredients na kailangan dito sa ating kimchi, Chinese cabbage kimchi?
Okay, first we have the ginger, the garlic, the onions, the radish, carrots. This is one of the most important ingredients, the Korean chili flakes or the gochugaru. Rice flour, fish sauce, water, cabbage, and of course, yung Chinese cabbage natin.
Chinese cabbage.
Yes,
And then?
and salt po.
Okay. Yan ang mga kailangan natin sa ating Chinese cabbage kimchi. Tapos, procedure, paano ba ang paggawa nito?
Procedure.
Well, firstly, yan po, we're gonna mix the onions, the garlic, the ginger, and then we're gonna add the fish sauce and we're gonna blend it. Then after po nyan, we set that aside. Then next, we chop the Chinese cabbage. We soak it in salt water po. And we add salt and we add the water.
So soak sa...
We soak that po for 10 minutes, then we rinse it after. It's to extract the moisture po from the cabbage. That way, kapag hinalo na po natin siya sa sauce, it will suck in naman
yung
the sauce.
kimchi.
Malasa.
There's room for the flavor to come in.
Yes po.
Tapos, next.
Ito po yung sauce natin. We start by simmering water. And then we add the rice flour slowly. And then we continuously mix it until it becomes a paste-like consistency. And here, ito po yung binlend natin.
Tapos?
And then we incorporate it with the paste that we...
And of course, while it's warm pa, no?
While it's warm pa po, yes po.
Ayun.
So after mixing this, we add naman po the gochugaru or the chili flakes.
The chili flake.
Ayan. The chili flakes, ito po yung nagbibigay talaga ng kulay sa kimchi natin. At the same time, this gives the spiciness of it.
So this is the sauce of the cabbage.
Yes po.
Alright.
And here we mix everything together. We have spring onions, we have carrots and radish. Yung carrots and radish po, it's to add texture to our kimchi. And now we mix it with our sauce. Preferably po, we mix it by hand para mas thorough po yung paghalo po ng kimchi
para
natin.
evenly distribute.
Yes, opo.
This is a modern and accelerated way to make kimchi.
Sarap.
Kasi di ba makalunong kimchi sa pot eh.
Yes,
Sa
correct po. Clay pot pa po.
Ito madalian, kikay, pero for sure masarap yan.
Yes, very flavorful itong ating Chinese cabbage kimchi. Tapos
Spicy.
isa pa, Tito Diego, itong paborito natin to. Isa to sa mga favorite nating in-order sa mga Korean restaurants, itong beef Bulgogi Marinade.
Yes.
Ano ba yung ating mga ingredients na kailangan dito?
So very common lang po yung mga ingredients natin. First of all, yes.
Tapos soy, sugar. Tapos meron din po tayong mga leeks, ginger, and corn syrup.
Corn syrup.
Very basic lang po. easy household ingredients.
And that marinade can be used also as a sauce, di ba?
Yes po, as a dip and as a marinade.
So dual purpose yan.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Paano ba gumawa nito nung ating beef bulgogi marinade natin?
This one is very easy lang po. Basically, we put everything
In a
blender. Yes po. And then, we blend it.
Tama naman eh.
We just put everything in the blender.
Correct, di ba? I mean, how else can you teach that? So, teka lang, but do you put warm or cold water pag i-blend mo na to? Doesn't matter.
Not cold, not hot either. Warm lang. Okay.
Warm lang
Room
tayo.
temp.
Room temp lang tayo. Kasi if you marinate meat in warm, kasi baka mag-cook out eh.
Yes,
no?
yes, correct.
Alright. And then this bulgogi marinade could be used for both chicken, pork, diba?
pork, and
basta in general, it's yung bulgogi.
Marinate in general po siya.
So it's similar to a teriyaki?
Almost similar to a teriyaki po. The difference lang po with teriyaki is it has sake and mirin po kasi ang teriyaki. It has the more tangy and more
For teriyaki.
Opo, for teriyaki. Tapos ang bulgogi naman natin is more of sweet and salty.
Ayun, so this is the beef na
Yan na po yung marinate na po. Yes,
And
po.
the longer the better.
The longer the better, yes po. Minimum marination po niya can be for 45 minutes po depending on how thick your beef is. Pero ang bulgogi naman po is dapat thin meat po talaga siya. So, minimum po 45 minutes marination or kahit minsan less than that.
Then you can cook it na.
Yeah, you can cook it.
Like what you're doing now, di ba? Sa tabletop cooking, masarap siya.
Yes po.
Yun, no? Yan ang nakita natin dyan, Kikay, oh.
Oo, yan na. Ito yung enjoy akong niluluto sa mga Korean restaurant. Yung ating beef bulgogi marinade. Oo,
Yan, beef bulgogi.
napakasarap.
Di na marinade yan.
Oo, yan yung talaga yung
Yan ang
beef
beef bulgogi.
bulgogi. With the marinade.
Kasi kung kumakain ka ng marinade, kawawa ka naman.
Iniinom niya.
Sayang naman yung essence sa pag-Korean restaurant mo. Sige, Chef Walter and Chef Raymond, ano ba ang name ng inyong restaurant and saan ulit ito located?
Yung name po ng restaurant namin is Sangyupsal King and it's located po sa located sa E. Rodriguez at Levy Lodge Food Park. And the other branch po namin is sa Tomas Morato, Cascades Food Park po.
Ayun. Ano bang yung
ano oras
nito?
open yung food park? O yung restaurant
Nag-open po siya ng 4 p.m. to 1 a.m.
to 1 a.m. And of course, how do we get in touch? Facebook kayo, Instagram?
Twitter.
Do follow us on Facebook. Do like our page. It's Samgyupsal King. Yun lang po. Simple as that.
So on Facebook
Samgyupsal
yan.
King.
Yes.
Sige, meron ba kayong gustong mga batiin? Kayong dalawa?
To our dad.
Our dad, of course. Hi, Dad.
Siyempre, siya yung ano namin.
Siya yung big boss.
Siya yung big
Yes.
boss.
So does she cook also?
More on the business side ba si Dad?
Yes,
He's more on the business side.
So payayamanin nyo dapat si Dad.
Definitely dapat.
Alright, maraming
Thank
salamat.
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
very much for having
Chef Walter and Chef Raymond.